Hello there and welcome to TAPSWAP Daily Task 2 and 3 for today, August the 4th. And if this is the first time stopping, I want to say thank you to you. I appreciate you. For all my returning subscribers, merci beaucoup, gracias, xie, namaste, or the brigado, gambaki, midawase. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from, and I can tell you thank you in your local language. Also tell me in the comments what level, how many TAPSWAP coins have you gathered ready for the drop. So the daily task, how many have you done today? Which ones have you not done? Let me know in the comments so that I can also see how I can show you the videos that will show you how to do them. Alright, just tell me the title of that task you've not carried out and let's go from there. Remember to subscribe, like and share this video. Okay, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the very first to get notified once I drop the next important video for you. So quickly, we'll start with the task 3, then we'll go on to task 2. And task 3 is from Bitcoin to altcoins and memecoins. So from Bitcoin to altcoins and memecoins, and you just watch this video on Facebook and come here and just type check. There's no code there, just type check and it's done. Make sure you open the video to watch it and then you type check congratulations and you grab it and then you go back to the task 2, and for task 2 you watch it and enter this code. All right, the code there is Lambo, LAMBO. Let's go check. Excellent. So go ahead and unlock the code and get the bonus for the task. Finish and grab a 400k. So there it is. All right, how to make $12,000 a month. How to make $12,000 a month and from Bitcoin to altcoins and memecoins. That's for task 2 and task 3. Let's watch out for task 4. Thank you very much. Remember to like, share, and let your loved ones know about it. And comment in the comment section which one you want me to help you with that have been done in the past, and I'll find a way to make a summary, put a collection of the videos and drop them on a particular video. So go ahead and let me know so that I can collect them. Thank you very much and see you in the next. God bless you.